Let's learn kitchen utensils in English.
Spoon. Spoon. I use a spoon to eat my soup. I use a spoon to eat my soup. Fork. 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 We eat our salad with a fork. We eat our salad with a fork. Knife. 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 My mom cuts vegetables with a knife. My mom cuts vegetables with a knife. Plate. 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 I put my food on a plate. I put my food on a plate. Bowl. 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 She eats cereal from a bowl. She eats cereal from a bowl. Cup. 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 I drink milk from a cup. I drink milk from a cup. Glass. 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 He pours juice into a glass. He pours juice into a glass. Pan. 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 My dad cooks eggs in a pan. My dad cooks eggs in a pan. Pot. 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 We boil pasta in a pot. We boil pasta in a pot. Whisk. 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 I whisk the eggs before cooking. I whisk the eggs before cooking. Spatula. 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 She flips pancakes with a spatula. She flips pancakes with a spatula. Grater. 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 I grate cheese with a grater. I grate cheese with a grater. Chopping board. Chopping board. He cuts fruit on the chopping board. He cuts fruit on the chopping board.